Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Fabric mod loader from Minecraft 1.16.2, the latest version that was released today. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this link right here, which will be in the description, and you want to click on Download Installer. You're going to want to keep it here, and then you're going to want to move this to your desktop. Alright, now that you have that on your desktop, you're going to want to go to the next link, which is going to be the CurseForge Fabric API link in the description, and you're going to want to download the most recent version right here with this button. So this download will pop up after a little while, and you'll want to click keep as well, and then move this one to your desktop once it's finished. Next, you're going to go on to mod menu, and this will be another link in the description, and you want to download the most recent version right here. Make sure that they all say 1.16.2. In a few seconds, it will download. Keep. And move this to your desktop. Now that you're here, you're going to want to go to your taskbar in Windows and search up %appdata %, and it will open up a folder. In here, you're going to go to the .minecraft folder and open up versions. Inside of versions, you're going to want to put in your Fabric. You're going to want to double click on your Fabric installer, and it'll open up this little thing right here, and you're going to want to click on install and make sure that it's putting it in your .minecraft folder. Alright, it'll pop up with a message, say it's successfully installed, and click OK. And you're going to want to look for it in here just to confirm. Right there, it's installed. Next, we're going to want to close out of this right here, and you're going to want to open up your Minecraft launcher. In your Minecraft launcher, confirm the Fabric loader is there and working. And now you're going to want to go back to your .minecraft folder right there, and you want to go to mods. Inside of mods, you're going to want to paste in the other two files that I told you to download into here and move them right in there. Now once they're in there, you're going to want to restart your Minecraft launcher. And open up the Fabric loader. Minecraft will open, and in a few seconds, once this comes up, you'll see in the bottom left, Minecraft 1.16.2 Fabric modded is set up, and you have the mod menu in here and loaded. And so that's how you do it. If this helped you out and worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.